In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to bank account. We'll move your crypto from Trust Wallet to a centralized exchange that offers fiat withdrawals in your country, convert it to your local currency, and send it to your bank. Along the way, I'll highlight common pitfalls to avoid. First, pick an exchange that supports cashing out where you live. Check that it offers withdrawals in your currency and through rails you can use, like ACH, SEPA, Faster Payments, or Wire. Make sure your personal details and bank account name will match your exchange profile, since most platforms require identity verification before allowing withdrawals. Before you transfer anything, confirm the exchange supports the exact asset and blockchain network you plan to send from Trust Wallet, and review deposit and withdrawal fees, minimums, and limits. Turn on two-factor authentication for extra security. Next, open Trust Wallet and select the crypto you want to cash out. In your Exchange app, navigate to the deposit screen for that same asset and copy the deposit address for the correct network. Switch back to Trust Wallet, tap Send, paste the address, choose the same network, and enter the amount. If your asset requires a memo or tag common with coins like XRP, XLM, and BNB, make sure you include it exactly as shown by the exchange or funds can be lost. Double check the first and last characters of the address and network, review the network fee, and if you're moving a large balance, consider sending a small test first. Submit the transaction and wait for blockchain confirmations. Once the deposit lands on the exchange, sell the crypto into your local currency. You can use a market order for speed or a limit order if you prefer a specific price. Review the quoted fees and the total you'll receive. Keep in mind that selling crypto may be a taxable event in many regions, so consider saving your trade receipts. Finally, go to the withdraw or cash out section of the exchange, choose your local currency balance, select your linked bank account, and enter the amount. If you haven't linked an account yet, follow the prompts to add and verify it. Check any withdrawal fee and the estimated arrival time, then confirm with your security checks. Monitor the transaction status in the exchange and watch for your bank credit. That's the complete path from Trust Wallet to your bank. Secure, straightforward, and repeatable.